Mid-range and high-end smartphones has solely been closing. Spend around $400 on a phone and you can expect a gorgeous screen, a good camera, and enough grand to run the most demanding mobile games. The features that set the top phones afford are often far from essential. The same holds true for Xiaomi's Poco, F5 and F5 Pro. If you are looking for weakness, you won't find them in a spec sheet. This phones pack in everything you need at an attractive price. Now let's talk about the phone space. Body dimensions: 6.8 into 7.5.4 into 8.6 mm, 6.41 into 2.97 into 0.34 inch. Weight 204 grams, SIM dual SIM, display type AMOLED 68B colors and 120 Hz refresh rate. Size 6.67 inch, resolution 1440 into 3200 pixels. Protection Korean Gorilla Glass, Android 13 MIUI 14 for Poco. Chipset Qualcomm SM8475, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. CPU octa-core 1x3.0 GHz, Cortex X2 and 3x2.5 GHz, Cortex A710 and 4.1. GPU 256GB RAM, 8GB RAM, 256GB 12GB RAM, 512GB 12GB RAM. Triple 64MP, 5 flash 1.8 OI, 2MP F flash 2.4, video 8K 24 fps, 4K 30x60 fps, 1080p 3060, 120 and 240 fps. Battery type: a life of 5160 mAh, non-removable charging, 66W or 30W wireless, 50% in 32 minutes.